After Pai, we made our way down to Sukhothai. A lot of people stop here on their way to Bangkok to cut their journey in half and see the remains of the Kingdom of Sukhothai, also listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sukhothai means the dawn of happiness, and it was the capital of the Kingdom of Siam during the 13th century. The kingdom stretched out all the way to Laos in the north and to the Malay Peninsula in the south. The earliest examples of Thai writing were found in stone inscriptions on this site, and it was the heart of culture, arts, and politics during this period. When you've been to Cambodia and have seen the city of Angkor, you will see a lot of resemblance in the building style here in Sukhothai. That's because half of modern-day Thailand fell under the Khmer Empire until the 13th century. Sukhothai also houses one of Buddha's footprints. These footprints are Buddhist relics and are a representation of the Buddha. Footprints of the Buddha can be found throughout the whole of Asia, dating from various periods. Japanese author Motoji Niwa spent years tracking down the footprints and found more than 3,000 of them.
The time we got good soup and listen to jingle bells on the music.
Yeah. After a one-day stop in Sukhothai, we went to Bangkok. But we made a separate video about our stay here, which will come out next week. From Bangkok, we went on to Kanchanaburi, famous for the bridge on the River Kwai.
This is the terrace, and under this one, under that roof is where we sleep. This is the River Kwai.
The Kwai River Bridge was part of a railway that was constructed by the Japanese during World War II. It was built using prisoners of war and Asian slaves who were kept in awful living conditions. The railway is known as the Death Railway. An estimate of 13,000 prisoners of war and 90,000 Asian civilians died during the construction of the railway. This is the actual bridge, and trains still run on it. It attracts a lot of visitors, both Thai and also a lot of people from America, Australia, and European countries. Not far from the bridge, you can visit Jeeth War Museum, which is dedicated to the history of the Death Railway. Jeeth stands for Japan, England, Australia, America, Thailand, and Holland. Basically all countries involved in the making of the railway. The museum displays photographs, illustrations, parts from newspapers and diaries narrating the living conditions in the camps. After Kanchanaburi, we went down south to visit the islands, but first we'll have a video of Bangkok coming up next week. We hope you liked the video, and if you do, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you want to follow us. And we'll see you at the next one.